this video, we're going to explore the ChibiLabs ecosystem with ChibiFrens. It's a game that's in beta, but it does require an NFT or two to play, if I'm not mistaken. So what we're going to do today is we're going to demo the process of starting from scratch. I do own 2 NFTs. I bought one of their Chibi apes early on, right? And I just held on to it. And then I was airdropped, or I was qualified for a Chibi friend. And the person who kind of gave me the alpha, so to speak, on the project, right? Reminded me, hey, don't forget to go claim. I forget what the process was, but I did it. And it sits on the BitmonkeyTV demo wallet. So today we're going to do a demo. And you're going to watch my screen from start to scratch. I didn't get any training. I haven't done any preparation to make it easier. I wanted to see the process because I am going to tease. We're going to be having ChibiLabs on the show in the future. So this is me dipping my toes, starting to learn more in depth about their ecosystem and getting that hands-on experience. And I wanted to share it with the audience. So today on BitmonkeyTV, we do have a triple header. So after this episode, we roll it off with another blockchain gaming segment, as well as a new one. I was kind of stuttering there because the third one was something else. It's now Thinking Aloud, NFT Thursdays, where I have some thoughts I want to share, some changes that are going to be made around here, and it's to benefit the show. It's to benefit the show and the future of the show and what we're doing around here. So I hope you can tune into all three. As usual, we'll have a POAP throughout this one. So without squirrel ado, let's get it rolling. My name is Malo, and you're tuning into another episode of BitmonkeyTV's Non-Fungible Token Thursday, exploring ChibiLabs, ChibiFrens. All right, so this is the demo wallet. I'm also very excited. I need to create a new one from scratch for content purposes. I hope everyone can make the one later tonight. I know it's going to be a little bit later, but oops, wrong one. Let's get it rolling. What's up? Let's play off the comments. You know how we do it around here. What's up, Gary? How you doing? Thanks for tuning in. 3 monkeys. Let's go. Appreciate you, BT. How's everyone doing today? Drop a little sun emoji with a smiley face. If you're here, if you heard that. Must have had that tab loaded and not, yep. Because I had that pinned in preparation for this from a few days ago. Let's connect. All right, let's see the process. I'm already logged into my MetaMask, so. And as you can see, it's in beta. Gotta say, I love the art. I do love the art. First impression of the landing screen is good in my book. It's very compelling to me to want to click through and see what this is about if I have an NFT, right? Now, I'm not sure as we do further deep dives, right? Because we're going to start doing more blockchain gaming segments around here. I really enjoy these a lot. And BitmonkeyTV is the center of, you know, my future, and I feel like blockchain gaming is going to be huge. I mean, we've already seen it with Axie Infinity. I know the up and down of that one, but nevertheless. So we do have a signature request. I read that thoroughly, of course. What's up, Marielle? Hello, thanks for tuning in. How you doing today? All right, so it can detect my NFTs that I have in here. Cool. Or did I have to? Okay, so you can click. Should probably turn that volume down so I'm not screaming at you guys here. I really want to. Yeah, I'll just we'll leave the sound effects. This is interesting. Is there like a? Okay, so they can clear storage, view docs, reset team. Let's view docs really quickly. Curious here. So I should probably put this into the comments or bio of the YouTube. So I'll make sure to update this when we go through those post edits. Actually, I can do that right now, can't I? Yeah, I can. Sweet. I didn't save changes. Should see that reflect. You can't edit it once it's already live. Scratch that. We learned that together. Came first, the friend or the egg? Is a chibi friend from an egg to a baby to a full-grown pet? Interesting. This transformation will take place over a series of missions that allow you to level up your chibi friends. At maturity, you will have the ability to enhance your friends into high-performance gamers. ChibiFrens is a Web3 NFT game that is purposefully built off-chain to avoid gas costs and keep the complexity of the game low. All resources are usable in-game only, while the traits, including the level of the ChibiFrens, are stored as metadata and generally visible on NFT exchanges like OpenSea. However, we reserve the right to add a token in the future to make ChibiFrens game a P2E game. Interesting. So this was a curiosity I had. That's why I didn't put blockchain gaming in the title, because I didn't know if this was a fully on-chain game or not. So let's explore. So we know we have to do missions to, get this out of this egg form. So I love how it's keeping at least the milestones or the leveling up data on chain. That I think is very important, right? Yeah, not Chibi Dinos. I believe this is different, not the same team. Yo, what's up, Zen? Estoy aquí. I hope I said that right. I'm trying to pick up on my Spanish a little bit. You'd think I'd know more with knowing Portuguese, but man, a lot of people have been laughing when I try to speak Spanish or just try to read things that are meant to be said in Spanish and Portuguese. You'll roll on the floor laughing in most cases. It's comedy. All right, without squirrel ado, let's run it back. And we know we need to do a mission. We're gonna do them. Oh, so there's different galaxies for missions 1 to 8. Sweet. And so forth. I like the art. Gotta say, I do. Let's full screen this so you don't have to see. What just happened there? Can you still hear me? Yeah, I'm still moving. Oh, the music went away on Streamlabs for some reason. Huh. I hit a hotkey. Fix that. Squirrel. Does anybody here draw? Procreate or even mouse and click? Or anybody in the fan bam like to draw? I want to remind everybody we have a weekly new thing going on called Create a Community Canvas Night. Where it's part of the MMBT, right? So it's hosted by Moral Monkey Bites each week in our Discord. And we draw using magma.com. It's fun. Once we get to X number, whether it's 500 or 700, we're going the distance with this one. We're going to do a huge quilt. And then we're going to make sure that when we mint these things as NFTs, everybody who participated gets the corresponding NFT with the weeks that they showed up. So, and if you do show up to all of them, we're probably going to have to make that quilt, that final, how many ever days, an ERC 1155 token to give it a batch, but we'll see. Here I am squirreling. Sheesh. All right. So my friend trainer and my chibi friend. Let's go. So they give you a little Twitter thing to tweet, to share. So a base planet where billions of humans live, whom most are oblivious to what is going on in the universe. Deep near the Earth's core, several different alien species have established bases, with a command center based around controlling and manipulating humankind for their own nefarious reasons. Complete the mission to get the following. So the mission is a timer. Okay, cool. So it's very simple. I can go and multitask, do something else, come back, unless I'm missing something. So I'm guessing I can make different teams with different NFTs. I don't get how... The only thing I don't understand, do I have to complete 3 missions to get 3 stars? That's my only question there. Let's go to the docs. Hey, thank you. Yeah, that theme yesterday was really fun. We just said banana and a lot. very artistic individuals. I started off with a simple banana. Then I saw their work and I'm like, shoot, let me add a monkey in a banana suit on top of the banana. Mine happened in phases. I did not intend to do that. Okay, so let's go back because I do see there's a battle button there that I may have overlooked. So the missions are things that you can, kind of reminds me of what On-Chain Monkey's doing right now with the karmas, and even the Genesis. You can go connect your wallet, click a button, it then puts them into, you know, as long as you don't transfer it or list it or sell it, essentially, after 30 days, you get rewarded. Maybe the missions are like that. The battle is still locked. So let's see. Was it locked here? Yeah, it's locked there. Let's go check. When's the battle gonna open? Trainers. So let's walk through this since I didn't know the extent of the gaming, but we're gonna kind of walk through their docs together. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. What's up, Jonathan? Thanks for tuning in, man. How you doing this evening? Let's see, we do have market. You can buy things with your coins. Very cool. Like the UI here for sure. Looks very clean, very nice, very easy to operate. I'm guessing it's mobile friendly too. If we were to almost. Yeah, almost. And maybe it is. Maybe it is. Maybe I just stretched it too much. Maybe that's what it looked like on mobile. So almost, still very responsive, very clean. I like it. I don't have much, so you can't really see the inventory, but I can see how they have this kind of tabbed feature that changes the contents below it. Pretty sweet. Pretty easy and clean to navigate, I must say. So it looks like there's 2 routes to missions here. You can see leaderboards. I already went through settings. I really want to battle. I have a feeling you can only battle once you evolve through the missions, right? And I don't think we're going to do too long of a stream tonight, so maybe we might not see it through the second mission, but that just means we could roll it back next week with part 2. I think that's a good idea in preparation for what we're working on our end here. So, yeah, thanks, man. You should, oh, it's way late for you, huh? Would you want to tune in to something like that if it was a different time, right? We just kind of started with a time and you can see we have already changed it. So kind of just making adjustments week by week based off of feedback. So far, week 2, we had double the head count. So the more the merrier. I feel like it's gonna be a lot of fun with a lot of different styles on one piece of canvas. So you can create a crew of 6 consisting of 1 trainer and a maximum of 5 chibi friends. While you can run missions with a smaller crew, at least 1 trainer and 1 pet, you have a higher chance of reaching a better result with a bigger crew. Not only the crew size, but also how you've formed your crew will influence the mission outcome. Hint, homogeneous and heterogeneous teams. If I'm saying this right, heterogeneous teams. During the beta, you will be able to create a maximum of 1 crew. However, you can always readjust your crew after a mission. Okay. Creating a crew. To create a crew, simply press on the icon. So we already did that. Trainers. The right trainer of a crew plays an important role in its success. This is not different for ChibiFrens. The better the trainer, the better the resources that will be mined at the end. The best part of ChibiFrens trainers is that you can actually make use of collections outside of Chibis. Very cool. Here's an overview of the current trainers. Chibi Genesis, Chibi Apes, Chibi Galaxy, Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, Cool Cats, Azuki, Cyberkongs, Doodles, and CloneX. Request a trainer. Trainers and their attributes need to be coded into the game manually. We're reserving the right to decide on the attributes. In case you want us to include a specific collection as a trainer, please request it here with the link there. I've already put a link to this doc in the YouTube bio. So if you're curious, you can find it there. The more people request a specific project, the higher chances will be adding it. Nice. Missions. So this probably answers some of my questions. Missions are a major component of the Friends game. The crew you formed earlier will be able to go on missions to mine resources. Okay. Those resources are crucial since they will be needed to upgrade your pets, feed your pet, or buy skills for your pet. Keep in mind that every mission will reduce the health of your chibi friend, which will require feeding it again to regain its health. Galaxies. First, you need to select the galaxy you'd like to send your team to. Each galaxy contains multiple planets that need to be cleared before you can move on to the next galaxy. Planets. When selecting a galaxy, you can now pick a planet you want to send your friends to. Each planet has its own look and specialties. For each planet, you can gain a maximum of 3 stars. Got it. So you essentially keep farming or mining for its resources until you hit 3 stars, and then you're done with that planet. That answers that question. Cool. In the mission overview, you can see the details of the mission. Each mission gives you rewards that can be used to upgrade your chibi friends later. If you have completed a mission before, you will be able to see the results in form of stars. Yep. Each mission takes time, which means your team will be away and can't be used for other missions during that time. So it encourages owning multiples if you wanted to farm with multiple teams. I see the approach. Mission rewards. By completing a mission successfully, you will receive mission rewards. As of now, there's gold and elixir, but we're planning to add more resources. Cool. After a mission is complete, you will be able to claim your rewards, including the XP, aka experience points, for your trainer, pet, and for yourself. In a ranking overview, you'll be able to see the top players, trainers, and pets. The inventory will ultimately show you the available pets and trainers, but also serve as your chibi pad. With your chibi pad, you're able to upgrade, feed, and train your pet, as well as download the 3D files and look up the mission history. Later, you will be able to see resources as well as items that have been earned during the mission. Clicking on a chibi friend will bring you to the detail page for each friend. In the following will be explained how to use it and level up your friend. Or friend. Friend. Hey, neither can I. Neither can I. Upgrading your friend is the ultimate goal of the game. For now, it is the only way to evolve your pet to the next level. However, we will provide additional solutions and utility for people who don't have the time for playing the game to upgrade their pets. Okay, I can go full screen here. I like the overall UI of it. It's very, very clean. And they can take it a lot of different directions too, but I love it. Gotta say. Off-chain parameters. There are certain parameters that are only known in game. Here's an overview. Rank progress, health, attack, defense, skills, metadata, level of the pet, traits. How to upgrade. To upgrade your chibi friend, you simply need to run as many missions to have enough resources to pay the upgrade fee. Upgrading your pet's metadata will happen instantly, but you will need to wait for exchanges to pick up the new animated video. Refreshing the metadata will help exchanges retrieve the latest video of your friend. To confirm, and if you're curious on how to refresh metadata, just search our channel, how to OpenSea. We've done a lot of videos that incorporate little snippets, but we need to go back and clip content. And that's something we're going to be talking about more and thinking aloud 2 episodes from now on our triple header today. So I hope to see you there a little bit later. To confirm the upgrades, squirrel, we did that right here. To confirm the upgrade, simply click on a button with the number. So can I do any of this? I don't think I can because I don't have. I'm going to use it as my avatar. Yeah, I don't have anything. It's 0, right? But I'm on missions right now, so got to wait till I accumulate. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this a weekly thing. I want to learn more about this game, and I want to give it more time to learn more about it. So oh. Hey, we're all in the same boat. You don't have to know how to draw. You can always just come chat and voice chat too. So one thing that's really cool that I really want to make it an awesome space is even if you just want to come chat and jam it up, as long as we keep the shills out of there, right? Let's not come in and shill your own project in a community night. We're supposed to be having some fun, just talking, shooting the shit, right? And enjoying ourselves while we draw some fun, whatever the theme of the night is. So let's just put a little asterisk on that. But please do come by and just let's come jam it up. And I don't say the chill part because people have done that. I'm trying to prevent it as we grow. You know what I mean? Because I've seen it happen in other communities. Like somebody will come in completely off topic. Like what? We're here drawing. Like, what is this? What are we doing? It's comedy. It's comedy. Oh, nice. Okay, sweet. So to get to this screen, I was just clicking on the ChibiFren and it kept giving me in a cycle. So one little tip to the team. I'm not sure if it's been brought up. Look, I already have a star. Oh, no. No. Shit. I accidentally hit the trash button on the friend and the team. And now I can't add it back because I'm mid-mission. That's okay. Doy. So we're going to go this way, back to this screen. Oh, okay. So from the inventory, it does take you there. But when you're looking at the team and you click the pet, it doesn't take you there. It kind of loops. You have to hit this I for information. Health, attack, defense. So I should have enough. Let's go ahead and feed this. Because we can't upgrade it yet. We don't have 20,000. Friend already at max health. Okay. So it's going back to what we read. You only feed it when the health bar is low. I wanted to see what was gonna happen, if it was gonna take it or not. Cool. Nice. So you're gonna eventually be able to view. I mean, I just have an egg, right? Nice. Oh, sweet. That's pretty sweet. And I'm guessing they're gonna make these integrate into every metaverse out there. I wouldn't be surprised to see them build their own, but who knows, right? This is we're just exploring this project together, right? And I'm sharing my thoughts as the episode unfolds. All right, you can download all the stuff here. Video. Nice. $2,000 by $2,000. Sweet. Well, kind of waited out here. I know I'm going a couple minutes over. I need to switch gears here pretty soon. Yeah, 3 more minutes. So we're going to roll it back. We're going to do another segment next week. ChibiFrens Part 2. Going to continue to explore blockchain gaming. So hope you've enjoyed this episode of BitmonkeyTV. Today's secret phrase for the POAP. Give me 1 second. Let me enable the channel. And I want to reiterate a few things. I need to be more vocal about it, I guess, every episode, because not everybody tuned in when we first started the POAPs and what the requirements were. And we've seen a lot of different things happen that have had us make adjustments, but we want BitmonkeyTV POAPs difficult to get because of the prizes that we give away and that we have lined up in certain ideas. We don't want that POAP farming, right? So you must be engaging. I pin all the comments in every stream if you haven't noticed. Every single stream I pin a comment. Every single comment. That just lets me know that you were there. And then we cross-reference in the Discord. But since I stopped distributing the POAPs, you get less of the person distributing the POAPs understanding that that person actually wasn't there. So, or at least didn't follow through with one of the requirements, right? So we're putting in new measures in place, right? And thank you, Gary. So the channel is open, but I want to reiterate on this every episode. We're going to talk more about this in Thinking Aloud. And then there's a new sense of urgency starting today. Gary, set a timer, 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes to enter the secret phrase, which is ChibiFrens. ChibiFrens, followed by your public wallet address, followed by the episode number. Hope you understand. You're going to see why, and I'm going to tease one of the prizes right now. And I'm going to tease a little bit about what it's going to be. It's going to be a raffle where 3 top raffle applicants get prizes from 1, 2, and 3, tiered accordingly. And this is the top prize, an on-chain monkey limited edition ledger, sealed factory. Got them right before my road trip. Forgot I even had them. Forgot I ordered them, and came back from the road trip, and they were. So I thought, hey, let's go. All my viewers, all my OGs who have been tuning in, collecting these POAPs, especially ever since we made that shift of doing it live only, making them more and more difficult to get, because there's going to be more and more prizes like that. And you know what we like to do? We like to give around here, and not only give, but we like to follow through with that acronym that you're going to see a lot more of, us being vocal of, which is to guide, to help impact, to give a voice, and to educate. Give, right? So we appreciate you for being here. We appreciate you for your time, your attention, and I hope that if you've been tuning in consistently here, you can make Thinking Aloud, because I'd love your feedback. While it will be Thinking Aloud, I will be playing off the audience. So hope to see you there for those who can make it. And without squirrel ado, this has been another episode of BitmonkeyTV's Non-Fungible Token Thursday, where we explore the ChibiLabs ecosystem in a game that's in beta called ChibiFrens. We're going to run it back for a part 2 next week. Stay tuned for the time, but it's going to definitely be on Thursday. Until then, peace.